Welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring the rugged and enterprise-focused Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro, a tablet built to withstand the most demanding environments while delivering smooth performance and extended battery life. Design and durability. The Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro features a reinforced, rubber-armored chassis with thick bumpers on all sides to absorb shocks from accidental drops and falls. It carries an IP68 rating, allowing it to survive submersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes and offering complete dust protection. In addition, it meets EMIL STD 8TH standards for resistance against extremes of temperature, vibration, and humidity, ideal for fieldwork in construction, logistics, or emergency response. Display and performance. The tablet sports a 10.1-inch LCD panel with WXGA resolution 1920 x 1200 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and responsiveness, even when wearing gloves. Samsung's Intelligent Vision Booster dynamically adjusts contrast and brightness, ensuring clear visibility under direct sunlight at up to 600 nits. Under the hood is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset built on a 4nm process, featuring one Cortex-A720 core at 2.5 GHz, 3 Cortex-A720 cores at 2.4 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A520 cores at 1.8 GHz, paired with an Adreno 710 GPU clocked at 940 MHz. The Tab Active 5 Pro is offered in two configurations: 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, or 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage, both expandable up to 2 TB via microSD. Battery and charging. It houses a massive 10100 mAh replaceable battery designed for uninterrupted workflow during long shifts. Samsung has introduced a dual hot swap feature that allows users to swap batteries without shutting down the device completely, though the screen turns off and some functions are paused during the swap. For stationary setups, such as in-vehicle installations or kiosks, the tablet also supports no battery mode, enabling continuous operation when connected to a power source. Samsung Newsroom. Camera and connectivity. The rear camera is a 12-megapixel sensor with an f1.8 aperture and LED flash, while the front features an 8-megapixel f2.0 sensor, sufficient for video conferencing, barcode scanning via Samsung Knox Capture, and basic imaging tasks. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 3.2 Type-C, and an optional 5G variant for high-speed mobile data. Software and security. The tablet runs Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0, offering a familiar interface and support for up to 4 major OS upgrades, plus 5 years of security patches via Samsung Knox. Enterprise-grade security features include hardware-rooted trust, secure boot, real-time kernel protection, and Knox Vault for safeguarding sensitive data even if the operating system is compromised. Price and availability. European pricing for the Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro begins at €699, approximately USD $793, for the Wi-Fi model. The 5G variant is priced at €809, approximately $9 to $18. It launched in Europe on April 28, 2025, and will be available in the United States in early June 2025, with similar pricing in dollars. Conclusion. That wraps up our deep dive into the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. If you need a tablet that can survive daily abuse on the job, keep you powered through extended shifts, and deliver smooth performance with enterprise-grade security, the Tab Active 5 Pro is well worth considering. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews.